There goes my $40 down the drain.
That is why I keep telling you about your responsibilities, but you don't listen. Take care of your bus pass. Put it back where it's supposed to go when you come home. Put it where it's supposed to go when you're at school. What did she say?
She said that I need to add my card.
You don't want me to come up there for her? Or clearly you lost it or you waited for a new one?
I already told her that. So then the next day she got even worse mad.
To get a new bus pass overnight? I don't know what she's going on about. Let me come out there today and she come run her mouth and see.
No, man. Maybe from the toothpaste.
What I say about taking out your calling?
I'll go get some more. I know how much. That.
Wish me luck. Oh, what? I'll use a flat iron instead. We'll go flat iron instead. Love to be able to curl this, but I don't have the time because, you know, in the mornings it's not about me. I just need to show up. So let's go. Let's quickly make her a smoothie. What? No clue. Come on.
Stop, stop, hey. I'm so happy. Jump. I'm so happy. And nothing's gonna bring me down today. I can sing and dance.
Okay, I'll pick you up. Go. School drop off done. Now we gotta go to UPS to go grab a package. Let's go.
It's a place to go. A great step towards learning how to read is learning our...
Hi, good morning. I'm here for a package.
A package?
Yeah. Oh, of course. Package secured. Now we're gonna go to Dollarama and Marshall's to go grab a few Valentine's Day decor because I feel like it. Oops. Ooh, that sounds like something got broken. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna use my DJI to record this part of the vlog. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna bring the Tony with us.
Sound from the Tony box.
What's in the box?
What could it be? Would you like to listen to a sound with me?
I'm looking to get a really cute blanket as well as like one of those countertop tray thingies. Hopefully in a heart shape, but we'll see what looks cute. Ooh, I found some Melly crinkle cutters. Should I get them? They have the greens and blue. Rose.
Plus members will receive their e-receipts.
We haven't even been in here 2 minutes good, and this girl lost the Rachel Tony. There goes my $40 down the drain. But anyways, these are the blankets I see. This one and this one, which this one is reversible. I love a reversible blanket. Plus this one is bigger than this one. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm looking for something like this, but this shape is ugly. This one's cute, but the gold accent is just off. I don't like the shape. I think I'll just work with the one we already have at home.
I'm actually so upset. It took me forever to find that Tony, and then now we just came to the store, and in a split second, we've lost it forever. It is so irritating. Like, I don't know where it could possibly drop and I wouldn't be able to find it unless somebody found it before me and basically pocketed it. But that's so stupid. I hope you have the worst year of your life. Anyways,
I just spent like 10-15 minutes looking for the stupid tonie and I still didn't find it. And now I'm just not in the mood to even like do anything else. I basically went straight in the store. She threw the box out of the stroller, and by the time I look, I couldn't find a tonie. So I backtracked, which was not even like a minute from the door, from the entrance. I didn't see it. I came back outside. I looked in the parking lot because I mean it's pink and blue. I would see it. I didn't see it. I continued shopping, asked an associate. She asked over the intercom. Nobody's seen it. Finished shopping, did another go around, checked again, didn't find it. Went to check out. They cashed me out. I asked them again to ask the workers. Nobody still hasn't seen it. I went again to look for it myself and I still did not find it. And now I don't even want to leave the store because I don't have it. But it is what it is, whatever. I just got home and I'm about to call Marshall's and just give them my phone number to call me just in case they find my $30 tonie.
We still haven't found anything yet.
Calling to leave a phone number just in case. So if there's any chance of me actually getting it back, they're gonna be like, these young moms. So embarrassing. Let's see how this goes. Bro. Let's go inside. Let's do a tiny haul of all the stuff I just got. So for the couch, I got this blanket. It's reversible, so on one side we have white and on the opposite side, obviously. And then I also grabbed this little accent pillow from the dollar store. Honestly, sleeping on the dollar store for decor, we need to stop doing that. These are just so cute. But I got this one at the dollar store for Christmas. I keep candles and the lighter on here. So I think I'm gonna stick with this. Marky doesn't like it because according to him, it does not blend in with nothing we got going on around here, which is somewhat true. But the other day I got this at Michael's. It was on sale, I think 50 off. So I think I ended up paying, it's $19.99. So I think I ended up paying about 9 something for this. Extremely cute. And the scent Vanilla Buttercream, which is so amazing. It smells so good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this at the front entrance or if I'm gonna put it on this shelf thingy. I'm not quite sure yet, because I do have this Sand and Fog one that I got the other day at Winners. It smells so good. I also got this for the doorway. It's a heart vase. Got these to go inside of it. I'm not sure. Maybe I should have tested out at the store, because now that I'm looking at it, I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna fit these. They're basically like heart florals in a sense. I don't know what I was thinking. I only got 2, but now it's looking like I probably should have gotten more. Or does this look okay? Or at least something else to go in there and give it some body. For now, this is what we have and hopefully it works. I'm gonna put it at the doorway entrance. I also got this X's and O's at the dollar store. I'm not sure where I'm putting this either. And then last but not least, I got this Valentine's Day set, which is definitely going on top of this shelf. I don't like the fact that the house is pink and I do not like the mug. So for now, I just like the beads as well as the X's and O's. Off topic, but I did get the Melly crinkle cutters. I'm probably gonna use this to cut her veggies and then cook them down in like a stew or something, because she really loves veggies, but only if they're seasoned. And then as you guys saw, I went to UPS for this package. It is for a collab. So if you're looking for a sign today to post your content, I got a free collab. And that's everything we got at the store. Let's go around and try to put this all together and see what makes sense. Let's go. This is what we're working with so far. I wish I could have put the candle on top, because obviously I would need the candle on top so I'd be able to burn it, but this here does not fit on the bottom. So it's not very practical, but I guess it's decor, right? This is what our front door looks like right now. These are basically our Christmas decor. I need to go get a scent diffuser, something similar to this. And then this is the couch. Pretty basic, pretty simple. I really been wanting to try this. It smells so good. It just smells like buttercream. It smells like cake. So maybe I'll have to move it to the front door then. But I really wanted it here, but it's not very practical, so we'll see. You get 3 different wavy knives. The time has finally come. I'm taking down my Christmas decor. Come. So that is the end of today's vlog. I was able to take down my Christmas tree and my Christmas decor finally. I know a lot of you guys have probably been watching my videos like, why does she still have Christmas decor up? But yeah, I finally took them down. I think today is February 5th. My toddler still has not gone back down for a nap yet, and this is what I'm currently working with. Comment down below if you guys enjoyed this vlog, so that way I'll know to continue posting vlogs like these. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!